everyone, in this video I will walk you through how to disable sounds and vibrations for a specified time. Now the first thing is open up your YouTube app, then the bottom here click on the U icon, then click on the gear icon which will put up a set at the top right corner here, then you go all the way down, notifications, tap on it, and then you go all the way down again to disable sounds and vibrations. Now if you turn it on, this means you should silence notification during the hours you specify. Now tap here to customize the time. So when you choose your start time by tapping here, choose your start time when you get this silence notification, and also choose the end time when it ends. As simple as that. Then when you're through, you tap on OK. That's all it takes to disable sounds and vibration for the customized or specified time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.